Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Wilkins and welcome back to the channel. This is day 6 in our 30 to 3,000 training series. This is where I show you how to take $30 and turn it into your first $3,000 or more online from home. So do me a favor, guys. If this is your first time being here, I'm going to need you to do me a favor and check out this video right here. This is the very first video in the series, and this is going to break down how all this works and everything that's involved, and this will help you get yourself caught up. So with that being said, guys, day 6, this is all about what I call the cycle of profit. And basically, guys, I've been showing you guys step by step each day how to get your affiliate business up and running, okay? And I've broken it down into components, but today I'm going to rein it in and really show you, piece it together and really show you how this whole thing works if you still don't quite understand how this whole thing works. Alright, so with that being said, alright, so here we go, guys. I wanted to show you guys like the whole process as a whole. Like, before I was showing you guys individual steps of what we're doing every single day. Alright, but I want to kind of show you as a whole how this works. And this is the little diagram, I guess we'll call it, if I even got that right, of how this whole affiliate marketing thing works. Okay, so this right here, this is where it starts. We picked a program, okay? We talked about that, and we chose a program, all right? And then what I did is I showed you guys some paid traffic methods for those of you who had a little bit more money to invest, okay? Showing you how to bring in leads that are interested in these type of products and programs, all right? And I also, what we also did is we set up our different email accounts, our different social media accounts, so that we can create content so that we can drive free traffic to our product. Okay, now the product that we chose, E1U Life, this is an affiliate system. Okay, so it comes with a landing page where you can capture emails and phone numbers. Okay, it also, once they put all that information in, it sends them to a bridge page, okay, where they see a video that basically breaks down how the system works and what they can expect from it, okay? And then from there, they're shown the different packages that they can purchase with the program, okay? Now, me personally, I like affiliate systems because these things are already in place, but if you guys choose to promote a different program, you're not going to have all this stuff set up for you. You're going to have to create the landing page, create the bridge page, okay? And the sales page will already be there, but you're going to have to build these things out from scratch. Now, don't worry, guys. There is going to be one more video, and that I'm going to break down how to build your own landing page, bridge page, and how to set up an automation and a workflow so that you can have emails automatically going out. That'll be in that video, okay? Just so if you're not promoting this program and you're promoting another one, you'll know how to do it, okay? And what program most people use when it comes to email automation. All right, so this is the profit cycle. This is the process. You're consistently making content or posting content every day. What I like to do, you remember the content planner? This is what the planner is for, okay? So you put all the content that you want to, once you find the content that you want to create, you put it on this planner, okay? You pick a day and you get it done all at once. All right, so all you have to do is just upload it and draft it into the different social media platforms. You draft it and it's there. Now, something else that I like to do is I like to set alarms on my phone for posting times. So the content is created. I pick a day, create the content, put it in the drafts in the different social media platforms, set my alarms for the times that I want to post them. So when the alarm goes off, all I got to do is hit post. All right, it takes all of about maybe 5 minutes at the most, okay? That's it. If you've already put the hashtags in and the description in and all that other stuff, then it's going to take 5 minutes at most, and that's posting to all the different media shows, social media platforms, okay? And then once I run out of content, I pick a day, make it all, find what videos that I want to emulate, jot them down in this planner, and do it again. Just create them, knock them out the way, put them in drafts, and like I said, my alarms are there, post them, and it keeps a consistent cycle for me. Okay, and it just, like, at first it's going to be overwhelming. As you do it consistently, you'll be more efficient at it, and you'll get it done faster and faster and faster. It may take you a half hour, it may take you an hour, a couple hours, in the beginning, but once you have your own system locked in, it'll be just like that, and you won't have any problems. Okay, and it'll be simple. All right, so with that being said, guys, this one is done. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I will be more than happy to help you out. There's also a number in the bottom banner. Text that number. Have any questions, I'll answer you there. All the resources, as I've been saying in all the previous videos, are in the description. Everything is there. Even that content planner, I've updated the content planner with new content that you can go ahead and emulate. But again, I've also shown you how to find viral content that you can emulate and post on your own account. All right, so again, all the resources are down in the description below. If you haven't purchased the package yet, get on that and jump on that so we can start, so we can help you make this money. All right, so with that being said, guys, this one is done. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the last video.